Have you seen HaulGifted.com claiming you can get a $500 Dollar Tree gift card just by completing a few simple deals? If it sounds too good to be true, you're probably right. In this video, I'll show you how HaulGifted.com works, the red flags you need to know, and whether this offer is legit or just another scam. HaulGifted.com advertises a $500 Dollar Tree gift card in exchange for completing recommended deals. These deals usually include app installs, surveys, and trial signups. The site makes it look quick and easy, but what really happens after you start? First, you're asked to enter your email and basic personal information. Then, you're redirected to multiple third-party offers. Each time you complete one, the website says you're getting closer to unlocking the gift card. But here's the problem. The requirements keep changing, and you're constantly pushed to complete more deals. Here are the biggest warning signs. There's no proof of real winners, no verified screenshots, no confirmed payouts. There are no trusted reviews confirming anyone received a real $500 Dollar Tree gift card. Many deals involve free trials that turn into paid subscriptions. The website has no company information, no support contact, and no transparency. This follows a classic reward-style scam pattern where the site earns money from your actions, not from giving rewards. HaulGifted.com earns affiliate commissions every time you install an app, sign up for a trial, or complete a survey. Even if you finish all the steps, there's no guarantee you'll ever receive anything. The site benefits from your clicks, while users are often left with spam emails or unexpected charges. Based on how this site operates, the lack of proof, and the multiple red flags, this looks like another misleading gift card offer, not a legitimate promotion. A real company giving away $500 gift cards would show clear rules, real winners, and verifiable proof, and HaulGifted.com does none of that. So is HaulGifted.com legit? No, this appears to be a high-risk reward trap, not a real gift card offer. If you're thinking about trying it, I strongly recommend staying away and protecting your personal information. Have you used HaulGifted.com? Leave a comment below and share your experience. It could help someone else avoid getting scammed.